gorgeous, gorgeous girls blend their bronzer. Get ready with me for a beautiful day in London. We are doing JVN hair stuff today. First things first, let's go take a shower. Welcome to my hotel shower. I just have to show you two things really quick. First of all, I love this lady's company. It's called Rise. It's amazing that you can put whatever you want for your travel stuff in here. So I have my Embody shampoo and conditioner in here. This is what I use for my travel body wash. It's the Olive Branch by Lush, and I love them. And then for face cleanser, I'm using this Trini Woodall Better Off, but it's Trini London, but it was out of the shower because I washed my face with it last night. I'm using body shampoo and conditioner. I love this travel size thing. I'm gonna take a shower and I'll see you when I'm out. Bam, 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 we're getting ready for a day in London. Oh God, I'm a vlogger. So I'm out of the shower. I put on moisturizer when I got out of the shower. So I shaved my neck with some Aveeno. Let that shaving cream sit on for a minute, let it lift that hair up. Don't do too much or it creates like more debris for your razor to shave through. And then I put my body cream all over. I am in the middle of like a psoriasis flare. So moisturizing my skin in the morning is really important so that when I put my medicine on at night, my skin doesn't get all dried out and up. Okay, so first thing we're going in with today, Plump Up Serum by Trini London. I love this stuff. The texture is so like liquid and just really gets in this, really gets in my skin. I'm using her also, I'm really into her right now. The Trini London, it's Bounce Back. This moisturizer is gorgeous. And I'll also get this for travel. Hot, right? So today, I'm going to Selfridges because my hair care line is now carried at Selfridges. So we're going there to make some content. And then I'm going to the Westfield Mall to see the new Space NK there because that's the other big retailer in the UK that carries our stuff. Okay, so then for my oil, I'm gonna do the Caroline Hirons Support Oil. I love Caroline. I'm so excited for her new line. So I just did this much, like 2 pumps of it. Press, press, press. Okay, then I've been using this also Trini London. It's called BFF, and it's the under eye. I don't know how the color just like works, but it does. So I put it on, and because it has this like cool touch tip thing, I kind of let it sit before I blend it. Let's start with my eye. So first I'm gonna come in, and I'm gonna give them a good curl. I'll take a little sip of coffee. One thing that I'm really devastated about YouTube is that it's been brought to my attention by myself that I say, okay, at the beginning of every single one of my videos, I think it's trauma from being a cheerleader. I don't know how to stop it. I can't control it. I need to do like a clip of just all the times of me starting a video going like, okay, now I'm doing my brows. I do love this Anastasia Beverly Hills brow gel. Okay. See? I do it all the time. I'm gonna use this palette for my eyeballs today. It's giving this. I am late vlogging. Vlogging while late. I don't know if you're surprised. I'm certainly not. I'm supposed to be ready in like 45 minutes. We'll see if there's any chance in hell that that's gonna happen. What should I put on? Oh, that's really orange. We're gonna have to do some serious blending. Y'all, this is not the right color. I just don't even understand, y'all, how this color, why does it look so brown off, but then on it's just so orange? I do like to do makeup on myself, and I'm really going through this makeup phase. I don't understand like why colors look so different off than on. I'm gonna try to do this color like. I'm gonna go in with bronzer, y'all. I'm just not trusting it. I'm not trusting the process. I'm going with my Makeup Forever bronzer. It's like, is it getting worse or is it getting better? I think that's prettier. Oh my God, I'm really obsessed with Self-Esteem. She's my new favorite singer. She's British. She has so many good songs. Her album is called Prioritize Pleasure, and it's so good. Oh my God, I just love her. I'm so so obsessed. I've not been this obsessed with a new artist in a hot minute. Okay, I do feel like this like brown taupey eye is better than that orange, like as orangey as it was. What else should we do? What colors do I have in this one? I want to do like a little pop of color on my inner corner. I really like this ABH people. They're so good. Maybe this like little bright lilac moment. Pretty. Gorge. I think I'm gonna do a little bit of this highlighter. I know it's so 2000s of me, but I have to put highlighter right there, or I think it's pretty. A light color right underneath that brow. I just do. I'm so basic. Oh my god, my poor powders. I bet every makeup artist is like shitting their pants watching me do this. They're like, you're doing it all wrong. Now I'm going to blend this goddamn concealer with my dirty ass. Actually, this was just from yesterday. It's not dirty. Not dirty. Okay, I also need to put on my sunscreen. I'm also using Surprise Shocker Trini. Come on, are you too good to go to your home? Come on. Okay, I'm gonna expose my shoulders. Sunscreen on them. Come on, sunscreen. This sun in London has been surprisingly warm. That feels so luxurious and really nice. I'll take it, I'll breathe again. Babe, you're in the shot, babe. Come tell everyone on YouTube your favorite thing about me.
Well,
what do you love most about me, babe?
the timekeeping.
How much time do we have?
25 minutes.
Perfect. That's exactly how much time I need to do my hair from wet to dry and pick out an outfit. So it's perfect, actually. I think this is discontinued and I'm so upset about it. If you wanna be my lover. I wonder if I'm just gonna have to do like a bun. Pat, pat, press, 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 press. Go Cover FX. More Cover FX concealer. So Julia Louis-Dreyfus did this show in the 90s after Seinfeld called The New Adventures of Old Christine. And there was this episode that I still think about, but I can't remember the plot. But I just remember that it was like a real time episode. Like it was like literally supposed to take like, it's like what happens in like 22 minutes or whatever. Does anyone else ever think about that, or only me? Also, does anyone else on YouTube ever think about that show from the 90s on MTV called Sandblast? And it was like this amazing TV show that was like this obstacle course for like college kids on spring break, and they'd have to like ride these jet skis down this like huge thing. Now I need to bronze. I'm gonna use the same bronzer that I used on my eyes to fix that catastrophe earlier. This is my bronzing brush. I don't even know if this is a bronzing brush, but this is what I use it for. It's supposed to give a C, I think. And I basically just like line the edges of my whole face with bronzer. And the reason for that is because dark colors contract and light colors open on contour. So if you make the edges of your face darker, it makes like the middle of your face like pop out more. But I will blend the shit out of this. I'm just like placing it. It's interesting though, this side of the face and this side of the face, it's like a little different. Gorgeous, gorgeous girls blend their bronzer. Blending, blending, blending. 1, 2, 3, testing, testing. 1, 2, 3, blending, blending. I think that's pretty nice. Now I'm gonna set it with some powder. That's just to tap off the excess powder. So that's kind of like a pretty chill face for me. I feel like I got that orange situation under control. Now I need to really quickly, seriously move on to the hair. So first thing I'm gonna do is take this out, conditioning mist, and I'm gonna blow out milk. On days like today when you're late and you're like, oh yeah, this was a great day for me to blow my hair out straight and do my makeup and get ready in like 4 minutes, this brush I'm about to show you is an absolute lifesaver. It really is. Okay, so I'm just distributing all that product throughout my hair, but you're gonna want a big ass round brush. It's gonna get your hair done so much faster. Nozzle on. High pressure, high heat, and I'm just gonna rough dry this and work the product into my hair before I start round brushing. If you're gonna round brush your hair as a finish, I feel like you really gotta round brush it. The curlier your hair is, the wetter your hair needs to be when you start for round brushing. Okay, once I blow my hair out, I'm gonna come back with my outfit on and then I'm gonna leave. But I think I'm just gonna smooth this out with a round brush. Or should I just like leave it like this? Hi. I wish I had a hair clip. I've lost the will to look for it, so I'm just gonna use this scrunchie. Pro tip, see how I'm blow drying on top of the hair? And then I'm gonna go, like I'm putting the round brush underneath this section here, it's underneath, but then I'm also gonna go on, like put the brush on top of the section. Cute. I'm just gonna do that process all the way up my hair. I'm gonna take my blow dryer and I'm just gonna keep rough drying this hair a little bit more because it's just too wet. And notice I'm like pulling on it as I'm rough drying it since I'm trying to smooth my hair out. Everything you do can help you get to your end goal. So don't just be like, ugh, if you're trying to smooth it out, try to like, everything you do should be leading towards your end result. And I'm gonna start with this back section because I had already dried the back. I don't want the wet hair sitting on the dry hair. Whereas in the front, you know, there's no hair underneath here. You know, let that round brush chill. The manager of Davian Hair, the general manager, she's gonna be here in like 5 minutes. I gotta really hurry up and get this done. We just have a really busy day. I don't wanna start it so late. How's the makeup holding up? We're getting a little sweaty, not gonna lie. Okay, so now, real talk, it's getting like too hot in this room and it's making me actually sweat. So I gotta turn the AC up and close the door so that it doesn't take longer. So I'm gonna be right back when I do that. I'm back, I'm gonna finish this hair and I'm gonna get my outfit on. Let's go. So just the top section left. I like to kind of push the hair all over the head like an ironing board. Like you just like push, push, forward, to the side. It just makes the end product a little bit have more movement from your roots. I can't even talk, I'm so stressed, you guys. I just have to like get this shit done and then get on my outfit, which is this really cute Mara Hoffman dress. So now I want to get my brush back out and see where the part is so I can see what needs to happen. Okay, there's my part. Till this section needs some work just because it feels damp. If when you're done blow drying your hair, it immediately feels a little bit damp or like cold, it's not all the way dry and it will frizz, especially if your hair is curly. So when you're done, like when you think you're done blow drying, wait a minute or two and feel your roots, like feel it around your scalp. And if it feels cold or damp, it's not dry. So you'll need to like kind of hit the hair again with your blow dryer and maybe your round brush. Love this little twisting technique. You know, if you've been watching my YouTube, I love to twist. Just kind of brings the blow dry together. I feel like my hair in England acts totally different than what it does in the US. The water is like definitely different. That has been kind of an interesting lesson for me as a brand founder. Like, your environment has a huge amount to do with how the hair reacts. So now I'm gonna go put on my outfit, but I just don't want my hair in my face and I need to cool off because that was hard. So I just take a creaseless clip and put it in your hair to keep your hair off your face. Now I'm gonna go put on my outfit. I'm gonna pat this makeup back in. Okay, I'll see you when I'm ready. Okay, I'm ready. My hair is done. Makeup's done. Outfit's done. Teresa's here and I did it on time. I vlogged. I got ready. I'm on time. Drop the mic. Look at the shoe.